If all of us come outside, they go run, including the IGP. Tell them say, na so I talk. Buba Galadima. My country people, welcome to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to my channel before, make you do so now. Also, make you like, make you comment, and make you share our videos. Remember to put on the button of your notification so that anytime we post new update, you go get alert for your phone. The story when e dey come so, na the story for Buba Galadima. We all know Buba Galadima very well. The man dey talk and e dey talk am as e be. E no dey fear person face when e dey talk. We also know say the man na former political friend of former president Muhammadu Buhari. For the interview when he do with Vanguard correspondent, the man dey talk say all those people when e dey for power now, he say their concern na about themselves. He say they no care about the people wey they suppose dey serve. E dey say im dey respond to the talk when they say the north no dey happy with Tinubu and APC government. He say people go easily see am now. He say through newspaper and social media, people go fit dey read the mood and gauge the mood of the people. He ask whether anybody don look at social media make e see the invitation wey dey ex ten d give Emma Sanusi wey the inspector general ex ten d. It's whether that thing e good. He say that thing dey cause problem for Kano state. Na there he talk say if all of them come outside, he say they go run o. He say even the IGP and all the defense corps them, he say they go run. He say make dem talk am, make dem tell people say na him talk so. He say after all, na only one life person get. He say the gun wey police and the military dey use, he say these days now you go fit buy those gun for market. To come dey explain wetin he dey talk is whether the inspector general of police, whether he go fit summon the Oba of Lagos over any matter when the Oba no know anything about. He say no, na he no go think am. He no go think am. He say that is why people when they do this thing so, they know wetin they dey do. He say the IGP, na be inspector general of police, he say he dey act on the instruction when they give am, even though the instruction e dey unlawful. He go say he dey simply dey follow orders. Na he say make he remind the IGP wetin General Theophilus Danjuma talk when the Gideon Oka coup come that time. He say Danjuma talk say military people they not dey obligated to obey illegal command. My country people, this na the tori when newspaper dey say Buba Galadima he talk. You know the man, some people dey call am say na the conscience of the north, because the man, una go fit be friends today, tomorrow if you do wetin he no like, the man go talk am as e be. Na the story when he dey talk so, you know, about the mood of the north concerning Tinubu and the APC political party. Una see am. He say some of the actions of the agencies of government, by implication, e dey cause problem for the Tinubu government. Wetin pain am pass na the Emma of Kano, you know, when the summon say make e come answer question for where police dey. E say e no good. E say e no good at all. Well, Buba Galadima don talk e own as e see am. How una see wetin e talk? E talk am well? Abeg, let us know for the comment section.